Welcome back. News from sports. Traffic congestion, trees along the roadsides, bad roads in Margao are on the top of the list of the South Goa collector. Sandeep Jacques has taken up these issues on a priority basis. He has given an ultimatum to the concerned authorities to solve these problems.
Main issues which were taken up were the road diggings which had earlier been done, where certain deadlines were given to redo the work. It was seen that in many of the cases the redoing of the work has not been done. Wherever it has been done, it has not been done up to the satisfaction.
Jacques has asked the official to solve the problem of huge trees along the roadside at the earliest. He said there is a fear of uprooting of trees, thus damaging human life and property.
Cutting and trimming of trees on highways and other major roads, which have been creating a lot of problems, especially in the last couple of days. We have seen an incident where one person lost his life because of a tree which fell down. In this connection, I had a review with all these authorities, and instructions have again gone to them to ensure that wherever the trees are dangerously protruding onto the roads, that they need to be trimmed or cut.
He has also assured to look into the traffic congestion problem in Madgaon city. A reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Goa's newly appointed Ranji cricket coach Raghuram Bhatt has asserted that he will work on building the confidence of state players so that they become international class players. The former Indian Test cricketer arrived in the state to take charge of his role on Wednesday, but has strongly backed Goan captain Shadab Jakati to play for India.
Speaking to Prudent, Bhatt stressed that although the Goan players are talented, there is a dearth of confidence in them. He highlighted the dip in performances of Swapnil Asnotkar, who was in a blazing form in IPL Season 1, and the lack of progress by all-rounder Saurav Bandekar, but promised that he will build a supremely confident team.
Now we have got Swapnil Asnotkar. Yeah. Okay. We have got Saurav Bandekar. Two cricketers. Saurav Bandekar played for India under 19 years ago.
Went to Pakistan.
Played, I think, World Cup under 19, if I am correct. Asnotkar, IPL first season, great achievement, highest run getter. But today, where is he? Where is the confidence level? He can turn the tables on any opposition.
Yeah.
That is, give confidence. You are the man.
Okay.
That is what I am looking at. Each individual has got their own role to do now.
Yeah.
This is what I am trying to do.
Bhatt also spoke highly about captain Shadab Jakati and also backed the Chennai Super Kings star to play for India.
He is a good bowler. He has done well in IPL. He has done well. The thing is, we need to make him play for India.
Okay.
That is my aim. I want him to play for India. I want to work hard with him and make sure at least 2-3 players from this team, I need to push them to see that they play the next level. Because we have got a good bunch of players. There are a lot of youngsters in the under 19. There are some good boys. Now you see last year under 19, you had the Regan Pinto coming into the Ranji Trophy squad. He has got about 300s, a good fielder. Then you have got Darshan under 19. You have got that Ganesh Narvekar, excellent bunch of boys.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Shan from Porvorim.
The four-time I-League champions Dempo Sports Club have begun their pre-season training without their talisman coach Armando Colasso, who is temporarily doing national duties. No need to worry though, as the club's coaching is well taken care of. Club president Srinivas Dempo has always shown a lot of confidence in the club's assistant coach Maurice Afonso. Maurice is feeling the pressure, but he's confident of doing the job well.
Dempo Sports Club have started their pre-season training at the Miramar Beach. The club has its new signings like Joy Ferrao, a promising prospect who is expected to score a lot of goals. Maurice Afonso looks poised about his role in the side in the absence of Armando Colasso, who is currently coaching the Indian side.
What exactly is the message in the regrouping camp?
We just started on 18th and boys are doing very well. This practice is probably for professional league. And boys are doing well so far. Let's see.
Life without Armando Colasso must be different at Dempos. So, how are you handling the added pressure, if I could say, of coaching the team, or for you it's not pressure at all because you've done it before?
See, definitely it's a pressure, and without Arman, we were together for so many years. It's feel something bad, but even then we have to carry on. See, Arman is coming back in Dempos, so I have to follow his pattern. I'm trying to follow his pattern.
Say AIFF or the Indian football decide to keep Armando for a longer stint of 2 or 3 years, then is Morris ready to take over the reins of Dempo Sports Club as the head coach?
If such circumstances forced me, then I have to, and I have done before also. So I have no problems.
What's the mood like in the camp? Are you sort of gelling with them? Are you getting to know them, or you already knew them?
I know Joy from last year also. And in Dempos, what I feel is there's no problem at all for the players, because the group in Dempos is always jovial. So, and I think even Joy is enjoying himself right now.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Sunny Narvikar from Panji.
With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.